70% of Americans qualify to file their taxes completely free, but tax companies make $2 billion a year because nobody knows these options exist. Here's what tax preparation companies don't want anyone to know. The IRS has 4 completely free ways to file taxes. Not free trials, not free federal, pay for state, completely free, federal and state. And these aren't sketchy third-party services. These are official IRS programs, backed by the government, that have been around for decades. In 2025 alone, these free programs help taxpayers file over 2.7 million returns. 2.7 million people filed for free, while millions more paid TurboTax and H&R Block hundreds of dollars. Why don't more people know about this? Because tax companies spend millions lobbying to keep these programs quiet. They've fought for years to prevent the IRS from making free filing more visible. It's literally in their financial interest for people not to know. But in 2026, 70% of Americans, roughly 130 million people, qualify for at least one of these free options. Here are all 4, who qualifies, and exactly how to use them. Alright, option 1 is IRS Free File with guided software. And this is the big one. This is what 70% of Americans actually qualify for, but most have never heard of. If someone made $89,000 or less in 2025, that's the adjusted gross income, or AGI, they qualify for completely free guided tax software through IRS Free File. That's AGI, not total income. After deductions and adjustments, that $89,000 threshold captures the majority of American workers. Now, what does guided mean? This is important. Guided software is the same hand-holding question and answer experience as paying for TurboTax. Same interface, same simplicity, zero cost. The software walks through everything in plain English. Did you pay for childcare this year? Did you pay student loan interest? Did you have any medical expenses over 7.5% of your income? Did you buy a home? Did you get married or divorced? Click yes or no. Type in numbers from tax forms. The software handles all the complicated parts. Which forms are needed? Which deductions apply? What credits someone qualifies for? All the math, everything. And at the end, it generates a complete, accurate tax return, ready to e-file. Same as paying $100 to $200 for TurboTax, except completely free. For 2026, these 8 private companies are participating in the Free File program. Each company sets slightly different eligibility rules beyond the $89,000 income limit. Some have age restrictions. Some are limited to certain states. Some require military status. But at least one of the 8 will work for virtually anyone under the income threshold. They're not household names, but they're legit. They're IRS-approved trusted partners, and they work just as well as the expensive options. Option 2 is Free File Fillable Forms. And this one's different. It's still free, still from the IRS. But it's not guided software. This is for people who know what they're doing with taxes. First, the big advantage: no income limit. Doesn't matter if someone made $50,000 or $500,000 in 2025. Anyone can use Free File Fillable Forms, completely free, forever. Why doesn't this have an income limit when guided software does? Because there's no handholding. The IRS provides electronic versions of tax forms. Form 1040, Schedule A for itemized deductions, Schedule C for business income, whatever forms are needed, all available electronically. But here's what Fillable Forms does not do. It doesn't ask questions, doesn't suggest deductions, doesn't tell someone what credits they qualify for, doesn't explain anything. It's just the forms, digital versions of the paper forms someone would mail in. The software will do some things. It does basic math, add numbers, calculate totals, transfer amounts from one form to another automatically, check for obvious errors like forgetting to sign or missing a social security number. But it won't tell someone, hey, you qualify for the earned income tax credit, or you should itemize instead of taking the standard deduction, or you can deduct that student loan interest. Someone using Fillable Forms needs to already know tax law, or be willing to read IRS publications and instructions to figure it out themselves. This is the option for people who've always done their own taxes on paper and want to e-file without paying for software, or people with straightforward situations who understand taxes, or people who had someone else do their taxes before and now want to replicate that themselves. Who should not use Fillable Forms? Anyone uncomfortable with tax law? Anyone who doesn't know which forms they need. Anyone with a complicated situation who needs guidance. First-time filers definitely shouldn't use this unless they're tax professionals themselves. The IRS is very clear about this in their own guidance. Quote, if you are not comfortable with completing a paper return, using only the forms and instructions as a guide to file a correct return, this program is not for you. End quote. That's direct from the IRS. If paper forms intimidate you, don't use this. Use guided software instead. Free File Fillable Forms became available on January 26, 2026. That's when the official filing season started. Unlike guided software, which opened January 9th, Fillable Fillable forms had to wait until the IRS systems were fully updated for the new tax year. The whole process takes longer than guided software because there's no automation beyond basic math. Someone doing a simple return with just W-2 income and standard deduction, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. More complex return with itemized deductions, investment income, business expenses. It could take several hours, but it's free, no matter how much someone made. No income cap at all. One major limitation: Fillable forms only handles federal returns, no state filing. Someone using this option has to file their state return separately, either through their state's free filing system if available, or by paying for state software, or by mailing paper forms to the state. Many states do have free e-filing on their own websites: California, New York, Massachusetts, and many others. But that's separate from the IRS fillable forms. Two different systems. You have to file federal through IRS, then go to the state website and file there. So fillable forms isn't for everyone. It's for tax-savvy people comfortable navigating tax law on their own. People who've done taxes before and just want to e-file without paying. For those people, it's a completely free option that saves hundreds of dollars. Just gotta know what you're doing. Or be willing to learn by reading IRS guidance. And remember, if your income is under $89,000, just use option 1 with guided software instead. Way easier, just as free. No need to struggle with forms when better options exist. Option 3, VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. This one's special because it's actual human beings helping other human beings for free, face-to-face. VITA has been around since 1969. Over 50 years of helping people file taxes at no cost. This isn't some new program that might disappear next year. This is a proven, established system. Here's who qualifies. If someone made $67,000 or less in 2025, they're eligible. That's the majority of Americans right there. Also, people with disabilities qualify regardless of income, and people who have limited English-speaking skills qualify. The IRS specifically designed this program to help the people who need it most. Now, here's what makes VITA different from everything else. This is in-person, real people, not software, not forms. Actual trained volunteers sitting across from someone going through their taxes together. And these volunteers aren't just random people who decided to help. They're IRS certified, they have to pass tests, complete training programs, learn tax law, understand the forms. These aren't amateurs. They know what they're doing. The IRS makes sure of it. VITA sites are everywhere. And this is important because convenience matters when someone's broke and doesn't have transportation. Public libraries, community centers, schools, churches, even some shopping malls set up temporary VITA sites during tax season. The IRS coordinates over 13,000 locations nationwide. 13,000. That means there's probably one within a few miles of where you live. Here's what actually happens at a VITA site. Someone shows up with their tax documents, W-2s, 1099s, receipts for deductions, whatever they have. They sit down with a volunteer, and that volunteer prepares the entire return right there while they watch. This is huge because most people have never had someone actually explain taxes to them. The volunteer walks through everything. Someone can ask questions, get real answers in plain English, understand what's happening with their money, and if they're owed a refund, they find out right there how much and when they'll get it. All of this completely free. To find a VITA site, there are 3 ways. You can go to irs.gov and search for VITA Locator or find free tax help. The IRS has a search tool where someone types in their zip code and it shows all nearby locations. Or call the IRS directly. They'll tell exactly where the closest VITA sites are, what their hours are, whether appointments are needed, or just ask around locally. Call the public library. Call community centers, churches. They know about VITA sites because many of them host them. Now here's the timeline. Most VITA sites start operating in late January, right when tax season begins. They run through April 15th, the tax deadline. Some continue past April 15th if they have volunteer availability, but don't count on it. The majority shut down on tax day. Some sites take appointments, some are walk-in only. Some do both. This varies by location. So call ahead, find out their schedule, make an appointment if possible. Walk-in sites can have long waits, especially on weekends in March and early April when everyone's rushing to file. Bring everything related to income or deductions from 2025. The volunteers can't prepare a complete return without complete information. One more thing about VITA. Many locations offer electronic filing and direct deposit setup. That means someone can file their return that day and get their refund in as little as 8 to 21 days. No waiting for mail, no paying for expensive refund advance loans from tax companies. VITA is probably the best option for anyone who qualifies and wants human help instead of software. It's personal, it's educational, it's free, and it's been successfully helping millions of people for over 50 years. Option 4, TCE, Tax Counseling for the Elderly. Despite the name, this might actually be the best free tax program most people have never heard of. TCE has been around since 1978, almost 50 years of helping older Americans navigate taxes. This is a program specifically specifically designed for retirement-age people dealing with retirement-specific tax situations. Here's the eligibility. If someone is 60 years old or older, they qualify. That's it. Doesn't matter how much money they make. Doesn't matter if they're working or retired. Doesn't matter if they have complicated investments or simple Social Security income. Age 60 or over. Eligible. And this is huge. Someone could be 65 making $100,000 from pensions and retirement accounts, and TCE will still help them file for free. Now here's what makes TCE special. Most TCE sites are operated through AARP Foundation's tax aid program, and AARP has been doing this for decades. They know their stuff. These volunteers specialize in the exact tax situations older people deal with. Pensions? They know how to handle them. Social Security benefits and whether they're taxable? They've done thousands of returns with that. Retirement account distributions, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, 401k withdrawals, that's their specialty. Required minimum distributions that people have to take at age 73? They calculate those all day long. Medicare premiums, capital gains from selling investments, rental property income in retirement, inheritance issues, all of that retirement-specific stuff that general tax software makes confusing, TCE volunteers handle it regularly. And just like VITA, these aren't random volunteers. They're IRS certified. They complete training, pass tests, learn tax law. But TCE volunteers also get additional training on retirement tax issues specifically. They're specialists. The service is the same in-person, face-to-face model as VITA. Someone brings their tax documents, sits down with a volunteer, and the volunteer prepares the entire return right there, asks questions, explains things, makes sure everything's correct. But here's what's really valuable about TCE for older people. Many seniors are dealing with taxes for the first time without a spouse who used to handle everything. Or they're navigating taxes alone after decades of paying someone to do it. Or they're confused about what parts of their retirement income are taxable. TCE volunteers don't just file the return, they educate, they explain. Understanding matters, especially for older people who might be worried about making mistakes or getting audited. TCE volunteers make sure someone leaves that appointment understanding their taxes, not just having them filed. To find TCE sites, there are several ways. You can go directly to AARP's Tax Aid site locator. Type in your zip code and it shows every nearby location with addresses, hours, and whether appointments are needed. Or call AARP directly. They'll help find the closest location and can even schedule an appointment over the phone at some sites. Or use the IRS VITA locator tool. It also shows TCE locations. Now, important note, someone does not need to be an AARP member to use TCE. This is a common misconception. AARP Foundation runs most TCE sites, but the service is free to all seniors 60 and over, whether they're AARP members or not. No membership required. No fees, no pressure to join anything. The operating timeline is similar to VITA. Most TCE sites start in late January and run through April 15th. Some locations continue beyond tax day if they have volunteer capacity, but most wind down after April 15th. Peak busy times are weekends in March and the first 2 weeks of April, so earlier is better if possible. Basically, gather everything related to income and potential deductions from 2025. TCE volunteers can work with whatever someone brings, but complete information means a complete and accurate return. One more huge advantage of TCE, many seniors don't have computers or don't use email regularly. TCE volunteers understand this. They can work with paper documents. They can file electronically on behalf of the taxpayer. They can set up direct deposit for refunds, even if someone doesn't do online banking. They meet people where they are technologically. No judgment. No pressure to go digital if someone's not comfortable with that. Just patient, respectful help getting taxes filed correctly. For seniors who qualify, age 60 or older, TCE is probably the best option. It's specialized for retirement situations. It's free regardless of income. The volunteers are trained specifically for the tax issues older people face, and it's operated by AARP Foundation, which has been doing this successfully for decades, and it's completely, totally free. Now here's what's important to understand. These programs aren't new. They've been around for decades. VITA since 1969. Free File since 2003. Over 77 million returns filed through Free File since it started. But most people have never heard of them because tax companies actively hide this information. There was actually a scandal in 2019. TurboTax was caught using code to hide their IRS Free File page from Google search results. People searching IRS Free File or File Taxes Free option. Instead, they'd land on TurboTax's free edition that isn't actually free for most people. ProPublica exposed this. The Federal Trade Commission investigated. TurboTax paid fines, and they stopped participating in Free File entirely rather than offer truly free options. That's the level of deception happening. Billion-dollar companies manipulating search engines and lobbying politicians to keep free options hidden. In 2026, there was supposed to be an even better option. IRS Direct File, a completely IRS-run free filing system that was piloted in 2025 in 12 states. It worked great. Over 140,000 people used it. Average refund was about $2,000, processed in under 48 hours for most people. But the Republican-controlled 20-year-old House Ways and Means Committee opposed it, arguing the IRS lacked congressional authorization. Tax preparation companies lobbied against it heavily. And, in late 2025, the IRS announced Direct File would not be available for 2026. So for 2026, the 4 options listed earlier are what's available. Not ideal, but still completely free for 70% of Americans. Here's the bottom line. Filing taxes doesn't have to cost $100 to $400. For most people, it should cost $0. If someone made less than $89,000 in 2025, they can use IRS free file guided software. Same experience as TurboTax, $0 cost. If they made more than that but have a simple return, free file fillable forms work. If they want in-person help and make under $67,000 or are disabled or have limited English, VITA is free. If they're 60 or older, TCE is free regardless of income. Tax companies have spent decades convincing people that filing taxes is so complicated that paying someone is necessary. For most people, it's not. So stop giving TurboTax $200 for something that should be free.